Oped. To create a motion blur using your smartphone, open this photo room app. After downloading it, open the photo room app. Now, once you have the interface opened, you click on start from photo. Once you click on start from photo, you can then pick your image from gallery. So you scroll to where the image is and select the image. Once you select the image, it will display like this. Then you can now proceed to the part where you can blur the image, either motion blur or any other blur you want to use. So you scroll, continue scrolling. Make sure your data is on. So if your data is on, it will load. Then you scroll and then click this part here. This one. So once you click that part, blur, click on blur. Now it will load again. Then you can now click on layers. So once you click on layers, it will give you two options, graphics or background. Now we are clicking on graphics. Click on graphics, this one. Click on graphics. Now that you've clicked on graphics, scroll up a bit and then locate blur. Here is it here. So once you click on blur, it will turn it on. Then you can have series of options here and below it, but in this video we are selecting motion blur, so there are other options for you to select too. Once you click on motion, then you can now drag this lower part to the part where you want, how far you want it to blur. Can you see? As I move it, it continues to blur your icon. So you can use it for normal image, for any icon, and for any other thing. So now you click on done, click export. Once you click on export, you will be able to save it to your gallery by clicking here. So click on save to gallery. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel.